Hello everyone, my name is Dmitry and today I would like to show you I am unboxing this medicine from India. This medicine for hepatitis C. This is antibiotics. The name is Sofosbuvir and Daclatasvir. Okay, let's do it. This delivered to me EMS speed post. Okay, how to unboxing? I don't know. Wow. Ow. It's really dangerous. Oh, jeez. Okay. Wow. Finally. Oh. Daclatasvir. Oh yeah, now I don't know what to do with this medicine because now my symptoms is gone. I think is inflammation is sleeping, or I don't know why. 1 month ago I feel more better because last 7 months or 6 months I keep so hard diet. I no eat the same food like fatty food, spicy or any food, only vegetable and a little bit fruit, no sugar, anything. And now I think is more better. Just small symptoms, so small. And I have a question. If someone know what to do after a wave of hepatitis C, now I can't go to hospital because in Korea I am from now in Korea, and here is so expensive. Make some blood test or something like that, because 6 months ago I did it. It's show that my liver function is so low, is more problem. Now I cannot go there again because it's expensive. Now my work is now I can't work and can make money, and I don't know what to do. If I will take this medicine, maybe something side effects will be crush my situation now, because now I have no symptoms. It's hard symptoms, I feel. And what to do? How do you think what to do? It can be make more worse now, these antibiotics. And I'm really very many thanks, Mr. Greg. I'm really you really help me with this medicine. No one, because your price is so low, and your website is many information about everything. And your information is really truly, and thanks again. Yeah, it's I will be still put below the video links on your YouTube channel and Facebook group if you want. Yeah. Okay, good luck, guys.